Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas with corn tortillas. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 12 corn tortillas, 1 pound of cooked chicken, and 2 cups of your favorite enchilada sauce. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Shred your cooked chicken and mix it with 1/4 cup of the enchilada sauce for the filling. Now it's time to assemble your delicious enchiladas. Warm each corn tortilla for about 15 to 20 seconds in a microwave or on a griddle. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Next, dip each warmed tortilla into the remaining enchilada sauce, making sure both sides are coated. Place about 2 tablespoons of your chicken, filling down the center of each tortilla. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in your prepared baking dish. With your enchiladas neatly arranged, it's time for the final touches before baking. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in the baking dish, ensuring they are well covered. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese over the top. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully bubbly and golden brown. Let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. Your homemade enchiladas are now ready to enjoy. For an extra burst of flavor, garnish them with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some sliced avocado. You can also customize your filling by adding ingredients like black beans or corn for a heartier meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These tips will help you make perfect enchiladas every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.